this brief tutorial, we will guide you through the process of altering the language settings for Google Assistant. Modifying the language can enhance communication and interaction with the Google Assistant. To begin, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon located at the top right corner. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Google. Proceed by tapping on it. Subsequently, tap on All Services. Scroll down slightly and tap on Settings for Google Apps. Locate the option labeled Search, Assistant and Voice and tap on it. Select Google Assistant from the provided options. Upon accessing the Google Assistant settings, identify the Languages option and tap on it. Your current Google Assistant language will be displayed. Tap on it to reveal a list of available languages. Carefully review the list and select the language of your choice. Tap on the desired language to select it. If you wish to add an additional language, simply tap on Add a Language and choose from the extensive list of languages available. With that, we conclude this tutorial.